All too often, knowledge in an organization is siloed. Either it's shared within small teams or simply lies in people's heads. When most of your knowledge lives here, there's a lot of friction usually in the act of retrieving it, taking time, adding interruptions, and slowing things down for people. Knowledge management is the process of capturing, distributing, and effectively applying your company's knowledge, empowering the whole organization to act more like a network of information. Imagine every piece of information in your business as a package. Documents, diagrams, emails, meetings, plans, training materials, and even specialist expert knowledge. Knowledge management involves collecting these packages, organizing them for easy access, and ensuring everyone can easily learn from them to make better decisions. This helps your organization become more efficient and innovate by building on what you already know. And the most organized way of doing this is by creating a knowledge management system. Now, knowledge management systems can come in many forms. This could be an onboarding program where new employees learn company processes. It could be a library of product information that salespeople use, or a repository of docs for a technical team. To create an effective system, though, you need to incorporate the following qualities. Firstly, it needs to be an ongoing process. Knowledge management is not a one-time project, but a continuous cycle. For example, at a software company, developers might contribute to the knowledge base by updating code documentation, posting advice in forums, and recording training videos as the codebase evolves. A good system also encourages contributions, sometimes even opening it up to the entire company. When you make your knowledge open source, you leverage your whole team and make people feel involved. Great systems always go beyond standard operating procedures and allow people to collaborate, sharing new problems and solutions. That being said though, effective knowledge management isn't just spontaneous. It's a deliberate process and requires intentional strategies, procedures, and tools. There should be specific policies, roles, and technologies to systematize the knowledge. Your system also needs to be really organized as well as really flexible. Your knowledge needs to be easily discoverable and also accessible in different ways. For example, field repair technicians might need to find info for the right machine while they're on location. And so having a system that lets them sort, filter, and view documentation and videos on mobile is really important. That same system might also have a newsfeed for them to stay up to date with other technicians and a forum where they can get support from each other. Above all, a knowledge management system should be flexible enough to adapt and grow with the specific needs of your organization. The opportunities of knowledge management don't end, they are continuous. And the more that you leverage and connect the intelligence of your organization, the more powerfully it will grow. So next, you need to effectively implement knowledge management in your organization. And you can watch our next video to learn how to do this.